Quick Guest Portal setup? Let's dive in. Open a browser and go to Router Settings page. Click Network. Select Guest Portal. A captive portal editor appears. Enter the SSID and brand name. The portal reflects the network identity the guest is meant to recognize. The preview updates as you type. Review the terms and portal layout. Click Apply to save the setting. The setup is complete. Welcome to subscribe to ASUS support channel. Like the video or share your comments below. We are happy to provide you with more useful information.